we've got a momentum problem, right? We've got a mass and we have a velocity, we've got a time. And so the key equation is mv, it's actually m delta v equals, and I put an arrow at the top because this is a vector, and that equals the impulse, which is force times time. And you know that this is 0.28 kilograms. You know your velocity change is 8.6, and you're trying to solve for the force. And you get the time is 2.5 times 10 to the minus 4th seconds, because the US is a microsecond, and you get force equal to 8,800, actually negative newtons, because actually it's lost 8.6 meters per second. And so that's question A. There's a question B. It says what force is pushed back on it, the average force of the second ball. That would just be just positive 8,800 newtons, because, oops, because it's pushing back with an equal amount.